Hello my friends and welcome. Great British Grub is a separate playlist on the Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel which champions great British food. And today is extra special because I am doing my first ever YouTube collaboration with Andrew's Simple Cooking, a separate channel, UK channel on YouTube, and we have decided to do a collaboration all about great British pub food. Now I don't know what he's doing, but I am doing cottage pie. So for this cottage pie I am adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to a pan before adding 500 grams of lean minced beef. I think this is about 5% fat. Squash it all down and leave it there for a couple of minutes to sear before I start swirling it around the pan. Make sure it's cooked right through. And then remove and put to one side. In the same pan, add yet another tablespoon of vegetable oil and add 1 onion, 1 medium onion chopped. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. After a few minutes I add 2 medium carrots finely diced and 2 small sticks of celery also finely diced. Now we just need to sweat these down, cook them in a bit. Should take just a few minutes. And once they're done I add the equivalent of 2 sliced cloves of garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic in just for a few seconds. Before adding the meat and its lovely juices back into the pan. And then add 1 tablespoon of concentrated tomato puree and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Now we need to cook the flour and the tomato paste into the sauce, so just mix it around and cook it for around 30 to 40 seconds. Then I add some herbs, so 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano. You can add whatever you want. And then I add 750 millilitres of beef stock. And just cook it down to the sauce thickens and the liquid reduces. It should take a few minutes. About 10 minutes in total, 7 to 10 minutes. With the sauce reducing, I add a splash of Liam Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. And a good spray of dark soy sauce. Now I use soy sauce to darken the stew. A lot of people use gravy browning, but that has no flavour, it is just a colourant. So I add the dark soy sauce to obviously darken the dish and add some lovely umami flavour to it as well. With the sauce thickened, it's time to put it to one side and we'll crack on with cooking the mashed potato topping. So for the topping I have 800 grams of King Edward potatoes cut up into dices, as you can see. Add the water and cook until they're nice and soft. Then you know what to do. Get your masher and mash it all up. I added 40 grams of butter. Mix it in. Added some salt. And then I was feeling indulgent, and just for the video I added some double cream instead of the usual milk that I use. Mix it all up and look at that. Creamy, creamy smooth. So with the minced beef in a suitable oven-proof dish, it's time to add the topping. Do a little piece at a time, and then obviously smooth it all out with a fork to cover the whole dish. Then I fluff up the top with a fork, giving little peaks of potato that will go crisp in the oven. Add a little bit of black pepper to the top too. And then I place it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, for around 15 to 20 minutes until it is as golden as this. And all that's left is to serve it up. So I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I'd also like to thank Andrew's Simple Cooking for allowing me to have this collaboration with him. I'm sure it won't be the last. If you do like this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of any videos that I make in future. So I'd like to wish you all peace, happiness, and I will see you in the next video.